it's hard work, and like manual labor is not made for me.
Hey. Ha ke tlhaloganye like ke na le stress.
Hello and welcome back to my channel. This is Baker like Anita. So I forgot to do an intro while shooting this video, so that's why I'm doing a voiceover. If you are new here, please remember to subscribe, and thank you for coming back if you are not a new subscriber. So I'm just going to be showing you what ingredients I use to make this buttercream, specifically the margarine that I use, as well as a guide on how to color the buttercream. So if you're interested in this video, please go ahead and give it a like, and please comment down below what you thought of this recipe.
So what's great about wooden spoon, is it upside down? No, it's the right way up. Is that it is affordable, and because of the fact that it is white, you don't have to worry so much about dyeing it to make it white when you want to color your buttercream, because a lot of the other margarine or butter is quite yellow in color, so then you have to add like purple to make it white, and then only can you add your color. So it's great because it's white. That's the best thing to like a clean canvas basically that you can do anything with. And what is also great is that it has these measurements here at the back, so obviously you can just cut where you need. If you don't have a scale, it's really great for that as well. So the basic recipe I use is for every 100 of these grams you add 200. For every 100 grams you add 2 cups of icing sugar. That's basically just what you do. So this can give you, if you're using the whole brick, you're using 10 cups of icing sugar. So today I'm going to be covering a cake in buttercream, so I'm not using a buttercream filling as well. So if I'm just covering the cake, I'm going to use 4. So up to there, I'm using 8 cups of icing sugar today. So that's how much I've measured out over here. So yeah, let me just show you how I do it. So I usually use gel food coloring, which is I want to show you the consistency so you can see what I mean. See, so it looks like that, as opposed to liquid food coloring, which really alters the consistency of your buttercream, and I don't think that's a good thing. So if you are able to just try and get a gel food coloring, but otherwise you can use a normal liquid food coloring, but just use it just a bit at a time, because it does tend to change the consistency of the buttercream. Okay, now my hand is orange. Great, I don't know why I did that. So today, since I want to make gray buttercream, I'm going to be using this super black, but just not as much as I would use it if I wanted to make my buttercream black. So just a bit to make it gray, and then maybe some pink as well. So there's also these babies here. Okay, don't mind the glitter and stuff, it's in my box of treats. So this here is like chocolate essence, which basically means that you can use it if you want to make your buttercream taste like chocolate, but if you don't want to make it look brown, for example, if you don't want to add cocoa to make it look brown. So this is if maybe your cake is a chocolate cake and you've done a chocolate cake filling, but the outside you want to make it, I don't know, a pink cake, so you can add this to make it taste like chocolate, to be consistent with the others. So I have also like orange essence that I used in another video, please watch that video, and some blueberry as well, some raspberry.
What the hell we gonna do now?
As you saw in the last clip of me mixing with the mixer, my mixer just decided to break, so now I no longer have a mixer. I wouldn't say I broke my mixer. I feel like it's just broken because it's a bad mixer. So my mixer is broken now. Just smoke started coming out of it, and then the blades stopped churning or whatever they do, turning, I don't know. But I had to finish off making the buttercream by hand with the wooden spoon. I mean, it turned out fine, but it's hard work, you know, and manual labor is not made for me. I soldiered on because I had to finish this video, but I'm very sad right now. So this is what the buttercream looks like. I mean, it's fine. I'd just like to not have had to put that much effort. I had to put my back into it. When last did I have to do that? I'm so annoyed. I'm quite sad also that my mixer is gone. What sucks here is that I can't get it to be completely smooth and iron out all of the air pockets, but also tiny granules that get caught maybe from icing sugar that didn't get mixed properly, or from just anything. So there's just some just balls here, but I'm gonna try and keep smoothing it out with the wooden spoon. It is possible to do it completely, but it's very tiring. So, but at least you got the recipe, so I mean, there's that. Yo, I'm so sad, yes. But anyway, this is the end of this video. I will link the recipe in the description box below, but I will hope that you will... Yo, I'm sad, yes, goodbye.